This is from Rovsun countertop microwave oven, and color is white. Comes with a glass tray, so I think this would look cute on my countertop because it's a compact and small, cute addition to my kitchen appliances. It's not gonna take a lot of space in my tiny kitchen. This will be perfect pair with my air fryer. I'm looking to buy an air fryer very soon, so yeah, I'm so happy to have one of this. Thank you, Rovsun, for your beautiful microwave oven, and I think that it's time for me to use it quick. I want to make something quick to eat, so I have this box of mac and cheese here that I want to try to make on this in our beautiful Rovsun microwave oven. Alright, as you can hear that one, our pasta is now ready. Let's check. One minute. There we go. And let's hit the start. Okay, let's check. Here's our final product, mac and cheese from the brand new Rovsun microwave oven. So let's dig in. Check inside. So that's how it looks like, guys. Very cheesy and smells yummy. The cheese smells so good. Look at that. Super duper yum. Let's wash our hands first. Alright guys, so I have a bowl here. Hand washing show is now over. Moving on to our ingredients, I have ginger and some leftovers red onion that I also wanted to use today for this recipe, and I have my minced garlic and some bell peppers. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm doing here so that it will be easy for you to understand what I am saying here or talking about. Alright, so this is our newly washed bell pepper. Okay. So happy that kitchen is cleared from dishes from this morning. And we just got back, me and my sister, Sheng's kitchen. Just got back from the nail salon. I had to change my nails because it was getting long. And do you guys love the new color? I have a yellow color today. It's gonna be a yummy dish. So I am done cutting all the bell pepper. And then I'm going to put it in this bowl and put it with our red onion here. This one. This is from the last recipe, the leftover, and and like I said, I want to use this so that it doesn't go away. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful Sunday, because as we speak, it is a beautiful Sunday afternoon. Well, it's actually almost like 6 o'clock, I think. So that's why I'm preparing something for dinner. And it's one of those sweet and sour fish kind of dish. Sweet but tangy. I'm so excited to be moving to my new kitchen. It's a little bit bigger, like I told you guys. So that's the most important part of the house, because kitchen is where everything falls into place. Now, moving on to our ginger. Here's the ginger. Now this is huge. I'm not gonna use the whole thing. I'm just gonna cut it just about this much. And some people doesn't like to peel the ginger. They say it has a lot of health benefits from the ginger peel. So I kind of just remove some of this here and there and slice them into lengthwise. So I'm done working with the ginger. I think it is time for the 2, 1, go! Turn on the stove. Number 7. My skillet here. Alright, let me grab the oil. Oh wait, I have used oil here that I want to... The used oil that I have. We just use this one time with our egg rolls, and I still want to use this one because why not? Still clean and not very dark yet because it was only used once. We're just gonna preheat this to 360, and I'm gonna grab some of the fish that I have here. I told it earlier before I went to the nail salon because this one was, it's a kingfish, $7.69. I just love fish, and so let me unwrap them and fry them. On both sides, gonna season it with some salt. Now if you wanna try this, you can add like black pepper, paprika, but this time I'm just gonna make it simple and basic. Let's get back to the basic. Just gonna rub the salt all over our fish and then flip them also, and same process. Okay, it's frying time. Looks like we are done almost, and look at that, golden brown. Look, very nice. So we are done with this fish. Let me put this aside and then proceed to making the sauce. Next step will be, and that's how it looks like, guys. So what do you think? Did I burn it? Well, I hope you guys are happy today, wherever you are right now. Shout out to all of you, to all my viewers from Australia, Scotland, Tripoli, Libya, Indonesia, United States, Canada, and to all my friends from all over the world. Hope you guys are doing an amazing and having a wonderful week ahead to all of you. So proceeding to the sauce of this fish right now. It's really, really hot and heavy. Let me just put it aside and grab another pan right here. That pack. Now we're gonna turn on the stove again. I have to double time. I'm getting hungry. It's 6:20. Coconut oil. You know that I love onion, so I have our onions here. Red onion is fine. If you have white onions, that is fine too. So we should be hearing the letter S sound anytime soon. Love the smell of the garlic and onions. My minced garlic as well. Grab some spoon. Garlic. Our ginger. I'm going to add our fried fish. I'm gonna make my sauce, starting with some soy sauce, that much. I did not measure it, guys. I just kind of estimate them in my head. And some white vinegar, and the vinegar and ginger will add some kind of tangy taste, and the sugar will add some sweetness to this kind of dish, which I'm going to grab now my brown sugar. Just going to add just 1 tablespoon, just this much here. Mixed it and kind of spread it all over our fish here. One lemon here. I'm just going to add half of lemon juice. I added some water and I forgot to turn on the camera, and I already added it there, but it was like this much. And then I'm just going to add some cornstarch to thicken the sauce a little bit. So it starts to thicken now. Bell pepper, like that. I'm getting hungry, so I will have a plate after this, and I'm just going to bring it to boil a little bit, like 10 seconds, and then going to grab a plate so that we can have a bite before proceed to our dessert will be after this. So stay tuned for that. So take a look at me now. Well, there's just an empty space, and there's not nothing. We're gonna be finishing it off with some onion left. Alright, getting ready to eat. Are you guys hungry? Yummy. So I'm going to plate it to look beautiful for all of us. Smells so amazing. I'm winging it here. Yummy yummer. Dig in. I want to add a little bit of sauce on my rice. Hope you guys are hungry. Here's the fish. Let's eat.
De poesías, de cuentos, mi amor, yeah. El amor es tan corto, olvidarte, no, yeah. Los dos amamos de más, enamorado de tu mirar y tú de otra. Porque eres así, ya sé, bebé, no siento que lo que es, para ti fue una aventura. Y yo, bebé, quería ser tu Romeo la última vez. Seguro que la última vez. Ser doble cara está de moda. El egoísmo a ti te ahoga y tus mentiras. No dejo que eso siga. Prefiero un te odio más un te quiero que no sea de verdad. Estoy bien, eso es lo que digo, pero me duele si respiro. El problema no es que ya no haya nada, sino la verdad que nunca pudiste decirme. Yeah, yeah. Porque eres así, ya sé.
Few moments later.
No sientes lo mismo, lo que yo sentí para ti. Yo fui solo una noche más, nada más, nada más. No sé ni por qué me duele, se supone que estaba acostumbrado a tus traiciones, que nadie es como ella. Eso impone, la idea no es encontrar a alguien con tus mismas intenciones. Sé que la emoción que ha destrozado mi corazón lo irá a sanar. Solo hay que esperar. Prefiero un te odio más un te quiero que no sea de verdad. Estoy bien, eso es lo que digo, pero me duele si respiro. El problema no es que ya no haya nada, sino la verdad que nunca pudiste decirme. Yeah, yeah. Porque eres así, ya sé, bebé. No sientes lo mismo, lo que yo sentí para ti. Yo fui solo una noche más, nada más, nada más, yeah.
Okay guys, so it's time to take a bite, so let's dig in. So yummer looking. Okay, here's a first bite for you guys. Cheers. Definitely so delicious. If you love cinnamon, this is the perfect dessert. A cheap way to make dessert. Just cut an apple, mix it with some milk, and voila. Top it off with sliced apple. Such an economical dessert. Alright, see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys have a nice day. Bye.